the welding is damaged like this. So how to repair like this? Okay, the other side, after cutting up to 50% or like this, then you can use with the plier, try, maybe it will. Maybe it is. It is okay. After there is one this also, but the top side hole it will be small, so this screw will not go inside. So you want to increase the diameter of the hole. This is stainless steel. Anyway, use a normal steel bit. For this, I am tightening this clamp with this nut. Okay. Then I counter with, so this is 6 mm. I am trying. Okay, now it will be okay. It will take 3, 4, 5 minutes counting, continuous counting. Then if I have a 8 mm or 7 mm bit, it will be okay. Otherwise it will take more time, because it is a stainless steel, very rigid. So using with a normal steel bit, it will take more time. Always use eye wire for this drilling operation. Okay, for your safety. You can use hand gloves also, no issue. Okay, this is okay. Again I am tight the clamp with the nut and bolt. Increase the diameter of the rod. I am countering. I tight these 2 clamp. Now I place in this support. Then I mark the drilling position. So now insert the bolt using one washer and the nut. So then I am tightening. First I tighten with the hand. Then I use spanner. So now I am tightening very okay. Now it will be okay. This one pipe support, not a square section. There is one pipe and support is there, but the engineering design is very faulty. That's why it will damage. So I required additional support here and there. Okay, then I can use like this clamp. It's anywhere. This pipe you will get the material from the hardware shop, or any of the other damaged furniture. You can cut, measure, cut, and like this clamp, mark on the both side, drill hole, and again nut and bolt. That is one method. Okay. Instead of this, I can, and again I will make a support for this like this. So whatever the required location, this is okay. For the engineering sense, this is more than enough. Steel, okay, same material, but also it will dimension. From measuring, it will be 2.5 centimeter. That means 1 inch. 1 inch square box section. Okay. Same like I am measuring this wood. It will be 5.5 centimeter. So the center will be 2.75. So I mark the center So 5.5, 2.75. Again I mark 2.75. Mark like this, and this width is 2.5, so I mark again 2.5 centimeter here, 2.5 centimeter here, mark like this. Again 2.5 centimeter mark here, and here 2.5 centimeter, here also I mark 2.75. okay. Then I start cutting this section. So by hacksaw I will get a very smooth finish. Otherwise you can use handsaw, another carpentry handsaw. So either you can use hacksaw or handsaw. It will take 5 minutes. Again you can cut this area. Through the pilot mark you can cut very smoothly. So after cutting I will get like this one section. This is okay, support like this, very good. This is more than enough for the support. So the width will be 2.5. So mark 2.5. So mark 2.5, 1.25. Mark some location. Then do one same way. I have a nut is there also from here. Okay, then already there is one hole is there. If hole is not there, you can drill a hole using drilling machine in perpendicular direction. So the same hole I am using. One side Allen key and other side spanner or plier, box spanner or plier, Allen key on like this. So I fix this on one side, okay, all the tight. So like this I fix this in opposite direction. Washer, so inside with the washer, other side also I put washer, then nut, so tightening with the Allen key, either Allen key nut and bolt or normal nut and bolt, which one available you can use. The bolt I think 2 inch or 2.5 inch length required. Same way you can use metal clamp also. Now this also very good support. Otherwise I can use like this clamp and drill 2 hole here and here, from here nut and bolt. Okay, welding is okay, that I am using same. Tightening the nut, use Allen key down and is tight. Cutting the other side and put the nut bolt and nut tightening. Okay. Nut and bolt the nut and placing the nut clearly. So from the below insert the Allen key and tight. This one up. Smart tight. Okay. Same like another support with the wooden. So tightening smoothly. Okay, this is okay. Both side using washer also. Washer on both side like this. Another one stands. Okay. Nut bigger nut and bolt around 3 inch with the Allen key head using one washer, heavy duty washer. Inserting here, then inserting this section, again inserting washer, then tightening with this. Okay. So here also like this pipe is straight, but this pipe is damaged, bent. So I use some bigger diameter pipe of 3 inch or 5 inch length, then drilling hole in the center, then by tightening it. So both pipe will be inside the bigger diameter, so it have bigger support. And again nut and bolt. Without welding I get the correct proper joint, so it will last very long. Yeah. Okay, here tight, periodically tight the other one also, then place correctly. So tightening the other side, both sides. So the steel cord, all the fault is rectified with wooden and steel pipe, some heavy duty design, but the problem is some location is design is not correct because damages is especially in the center support and the middle support. The edge it will be okay. This area required some periodical tightening of the screw, Allen screw, that is enough. So in this area there is one small pipe center support is there. It is damaged, easily damaged. Instead of this I developed like this, some wooden support. It will be very heavy duty. I have no issue any beauty, so this okay. Wooden, other also wooden support. Here welding is damaged, but I cut that particular welding using some heavy duty stainless steel clamp, drill hole and make like this. This end is same as the old welded pipe, and here also before two support is there. Unfortunately the pipe is bent and damaged, so here I use some bigger diameter of pipe drill and cut inside and drill one hole and bolting. Because of the bolting, the pipe is, because of this supporting pipe, this two pipe is inside, strength is there, everything is there. So for the bed, for the very good comfort, we can use some plywood sheet above this bed and below the bed, because this is pipe, so some more plywood sheet is good. First plywood sheet, then thank you for watching.